blue and white painted boat. They can bring you to the north part of Amsterdam. And you try to bike at a very young age, and when you're older, you're an expert in biking actually. Also what we learn on a very young age, swimming. That's what also we learn on a very young age. And you also know why? Because the water in the Netherlands is all the times above us head. We are living 5 meters below sea level. I will explain you later on about the windmills. For now, it's just after the free time, if you think I'm hungry a little bit, or I want to get some coffee or fresh stroopwafel, the older ones. Explanation, we can get inside and eat a lot of cheese if you want. Yeah, have a moment. Good morning.
And I'm going to explain how we make cheese here in Holland. And after that, we can go inside and try all the cheeses. Well, this is Henry. Before we always use the animal in it, and at this moment we get 90% from the whey and only 10% from the curds. So we need 10 liters of milk to make only 1 kilo cheese. We need all the cheeses, we put them in a salty water. That is 20% salt and 80% water. 1 kilo cheese has to say for about with fenugreek seeds. This one tastes a little bit like walnut. Green pesto, but we also have red pesto, red chili peppers with truffle.
Welcome, sir. Take a seat. Welcome. Here, shoes from the peat diggers. What is peat? We call peat in Dutch turf.
Wood, it makes it easy to cut for the knives. There you go. Now in the old days, all wooden shoes made by hand, they used this large knife for the outside chin and so-called spoon screws to hollow out the inside. This was a real tough job. This took about 2 hours by hand. By machines nowadays, it's just 5 minutes. Now this machine is going to make the outside. It's the same system as duplicating keys. This part follows the model, and the knives cut out the exact same shape. It's a rough shape. And it's not finished, it's still very wet. I'll try to show. There you are. Half of the weight is still water. And you need to dry the sheet fully. Once dry, we wear them with 1 finger space and thick woolen socks. That way they're comfortable to wear. Reasons to wear them: very strong, they offer good protection, great safety shoe, and also waterproof. Keep your feet warm, dry, and safe when you work outside.
I wonder if you can order them online instead.
So far, the pigs at the hill
And back then you had a lot of horses. If a horse stepped on
They make paint stuff for the painters. In the second one, they charge you between 5 or 7 euro. You can enter.
Ah, stop off. ಕಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತಿರು
This is where we're riding now on. That was also the south of sea before. On the right side, you're gonna see and in the front, the family and the farmer lived in the front of it, of the house. So that's why some houses at the front smaller, at the back bigger, because of the stable behind the house.
Goed dan meevaren met de boot? Hij moet in de rondvaren vanaf de toekomst. Jongens, gaan er nog meer mee met de boot?
6. 7. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Ja, lekker hè? Genieten.
It's a traffic jam.
Traffic jam.
We're gonna finish.
The most famous house, the dog house. We call it the dog house.
Oh yeah.
9 months, and 3 months you have to leave. So it must be a holiday purpose. But you may rent it to other people. That's all.
Only the thing on the